Did you know a grieving mother looked her missing son in the eyes and didn't recognize a stranger? In 1994, 13-year-old Nicholas Barkley disappeared from San Antonio, Texas. No body, no answers, just silence for 3 years. Then a call came from Spain. A boy claimed to be Nicholas. His mother flew overseas, looked at him, and brought him home. For months, this person lived inside the Barkley house. He attended school, he gave interviews, he had a French accent and brown eyes, even though Nicholas had blue ones. The family accepted every excuse, but here's what the FBI missed. A private investigator named Charlie Parker noticed things that didn't add up. He kept pulling the thread. The boy was Frédéric Bourdin, a 23-year-old French con man who had impersonated missing children across Europe. He wasn't a ghost, he was a predator who understood one thing deeply. Grief makes people see what they desperately need to see. The family wasn't foolish, they were broken, and Bourdin knew exactly how to walk through that door.